Hi guys, it's been a long time, so welcome to StunnerShare. So yesterday I posted a video in Panguchanda A to Z channel. I have made that video in Tamil explaining about what is expected in Nifty in monthly, weekly and daily, and what can be expected in the coming days and all those. So now in this video, what am I going to say is all about gold. So what is gold is trying to do and what can we expect in gold, so that is what we are going to see in gold. So it's clearly a long term view on gold. Do not expect anything to be a short term or something. So a long term gold, so if you guys a long-term view on gold. So if you guys feel like you wanted to do some investment or take out your investment or to do what you guys want to do in gold, so maybe this video can help you. I will try to make this video crisp and very short and sweet, so let's see how people likes this video. So and then coming to the content of this video, whatever analysis I've shared, it's my understanding. I can be wrong at any places, so please understand the risk involved in market and then go and take your risk accordingly. Please do not blame me for your profits and loss. So moving on to the gold's view. So what I would say, I'm just checking it in a monthly chart. So what I could say, tell you guys is like gold right now is in a sideways mode and not sure when it will go for a bullish move. But what I always see is like, forget, okay, let us take from this side, from this part, or let us take from this part, because here we don't see any of the chart and it does not looks like good. So that is why I prefer, let's consider from this area. Okay, so also I have drawn the RSI also, not like drawn, I have plotted the RSI. I have used the indicator RSI. So here if you guys see, this dotted line is there, right? 1 minute, let me that's okay. Yeah, this should be fine. So this dotted lines, this dark dotted lines, this is like 50. In RSI we have certain ranges from 0 to 100, and that is a midline which is 50. So whenever we could see a dip below 50, I'm not telling it has to touch 20, it has to touch 30, it has to touch 40. I'm not telling that. Whenever there is a dip below 50, it always bounces back and gives a good move. Okay, so the first occurrence we are going to see over here. Okay, here we are not sure like how long it will go, and yeah, I'm again repeating, we are not sure like how long it will go, but it has gone below RSI, and whenever it goes below RSI, if you have started your investment journey or you have started your SIP over here, then it would have gone directly, good move upwards has been seen. So I'm not telling that it has to touch 80 RSI or above that, but a good move has been seen from the zone of 100. At least you can see double of it. Clear? Or you can at least see some 25% to 50% move in gold when you see a dip below 50. So we'll concentrate only on the zones whenever it is touching below 50. Okay, so now again, when as we touch below 50, it is over here, this zone, it has touched below 50. Okay, so if you would have sipped over here, from here till here, if you have sipped slowly, you could have seen a good move from 286 till 515, which is also almost 100%. Obviously it is like around 80% move has been seen in gold. So if you have done a regular sip, whenever RSI is whenever the gold, when in the monthly time frame, whenever the RSI is dipping towards 50, that would have been a good move. Again from here it dropped down back, and when it dropped down back, it also again touched 50. So again, when you have like did some SIP or like started your investment over here, so by the time it came here, it again went to the same zone where you would have got easily 80% of the move. Okay, I'm just calculating that 80% of the move over here, but if you would have done regular SIP from here to here, then you would have seen a good move over here. And there are like few zones wherein like always it was like touching below 50 and all those things. So I would say that a good investment dip or a good SIP, if it has been done over here, that would have been a good, you would have just added your money. And again, do not ask me like where to book your profit or like when to take out the profit. It depends on you. Say for example, I was holding particular stock, okay, and whenever I see some good 30 to 40% movement in a stock has happened, I take 30% of the cash out. Okay, Why I take 30% of the cash out? Sometimes after moving 30 to 40%, it can again come to the buy price. So I can again buy it over there. Or if I feel like there is some good consolidation has happened after moving a lot, then I would again invest some 30% over there. So it all depends on how and when you wanted to take the money in and money out. Clear? And now this entire zone was a consolidation zone. From here till here we had a consolidation zone, and even this zone where you could have really did some sip over here. Okay, I would not say that you would have made 50% 60% move, but at least a good move would have been easily possible. Assume this is 324 and you are made a 400, which is nearly, if you see, 30% to 25% move has been seen. So that is also good. When you regularly sip, it is a good opportunity for you to gain some good money. And you need to understand, when I say that when you do sip regularly, first of all you need to understand one thing. So say from here the candle was red and RSI also went below 50, and that is on September 1975. Until the bottom it has taken nearly September 1976. So 12 months of sip you are doing. Monthly once you are doing some sip, 12 months of sip you are doing, then you would have actually get a good average price and you would have got a good move as well. And again, at 1975, at 1980, 1990, 2000, there would not be a concept of sip and no one would have invested. But what am I trying to say is, like, whenever the gold price on a monthly chart, the RSI falls below 50, try to do some SIP investment, because that is giving a good returns in the future. Now let's forget about this one, because we made a good SIP over here, because whenever the market falls or whenever gold falls below RSI 50, we always invest, and at least we got some 20% move over here. Now again we got a movement over here wherein, like, the market wherein the RSI came below 50. So you would have started your investment journey over here. Okay, from here till here the market was falling and the RSI was also below 50. But if you have done some good investment from here, from 1996 till 2001, nearly 5 years of gold, if you are sipping it very good manner in every month basis, then your money would have easily gone somewhere. Okay, from, say for example, from 252 to from 1900 it has moved. So which is a huge returns which would have gotten gold. So what am I trying to again tell you guys is, like, whenever you see a dip in gold and where in a monthly RSI is dipping below 50, try to start adding gold in your portfolio. It will give good returns, and that is what is shown in the previous charts. Okay, and again I'm telling you guys, it will not happen in a monthly time, or it will not happen in a 2 years time. I cannot give you a time frame. If you are very patient and if you are trusting the gold scenario, what is being played out all these years, then obviously you might get good returns. And again coming back over here, where here, okay, here would have got some gold which is falling below 50, and from 16,700 till 1000, so nearly $600 to $700 it has fallen. And if you would have consistently made some SIP over here, then again from here you would have again made another 100% move. So from 1000 it has moved to 2000, so another 100% move would have been easily possible. But your consistent amount of doing SIP, and that should be there. Your mindset of doing SIP must be there. So if you are doing that, then it would have been a good move for you. Now again, what has happened now? So there will be a question like, why have you made this video now? Now again, I see the RSI has dipped below 50. So I see this as a good opportunity, where if you do some good SIP around now, you might see some good returns in the coming future. Okay, it might take 1 year, 2 year. We are not sure, like, how exactly, when exactly you will see some good amount of gold returns, but I am saying that a good possible returns is possible in gold. So that is why I say that the RSI has dipped below 50. So I think this is a good opportunity to do a good SIP in gold. So that will boost your portfolio. And now people will be like, okay, I understood that you have given a long-term view, but on a short-term view, what is to be expected in gold? So what I could see is, like, gold is in a consolidation phase only. It is not giving us more information on what is it trying to do. But if you wanted to go for a swing or a short-term trade, then I would say that till now gold is completely making lower high and lower low scenario only. Okay, so this I have drawn, see high, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and another lower high only, because as per the candle I'm saying it is showing another lower high only. If in case it has to give a good breakout, and if it has to go a good move, first of all it has to take over this high and make a swing high. So a higher high situation has to form. So this is basically called as a Dow theory. So we are forming a lower high, lower low scenario only. Until and unless higher high scenario is formed, you have to be very cool in gold. Gold might still remain bearish as well, or it might take some time to give a breakout as well. So when it is trying to give a breakout, the possible target it can go till 1810, but after giving a further breakout of here only, it can go further upside. So, and if you also see in the past history of what happened in gold and how gold has behaved, I could see a lot of patterns forming in gold. Say for example, I'll show you one such pattern. Okay, yeah, see over here, it is a head and shoulders pattern which has been formed in gold. So in the same way, right now what market is trying to show, or what market is trying to form in gold is like, or what pattern is trying to form in gold is like, I could see a head and shoulders is in formation, but not sure whether it will be a 100% sure shot head and shoulders pattern which can form. So I could see that a head and shoulders pattern is trying to form. So if this head and shoulders pattern is forming, then that is a good scenario for gold, wherein like it can give further breakout and go upside. So any move above 18,810 will be a good scenario for gold, until and unless it will remain bearish to sideways only. And again I said, in the monthly chart, RSI has dipped below 50. That is a good opportunity where you can sip in gold. So it's up to you guys whether to sip or not, or whether to add gold portfolio in your portfolio or not. It's up to you, but I am right now trying to sip in gold, so that will help me in the long term future. So, and again I'm repeating, whatever analysis I've shared, it can go wrong also, so please do your own analysis as well. And also, whenever you are investing in your money, please understand the risk involved and try to invest your money. I cannot be responsible for your profits and loss. I'm just sharing my view, what I understand in this chat. So if you have any queries, do let me know in the comment section. Thanks a lot. Please stay tuned for more videos.